We're looking at a Concierge Veranda here on board the newly refurbished Oceania Insignia, which is the world cruise vessel for Oceania, by the way. So if you want to do a world cruise on Oceania, this is the ship that you'll be on. And hi guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. So newly refurbished bathroom, of course, with lighted vanity mirrors. This opens up for storage space right there. You get the best Bulgari amenity kits here in the Concierge class. And you'll have a Sharps box, single head, small walk-in shower. Before, I think it may have been a curtain, but now it's a double glass door, saloon style. And you'll have a removable shower head there, and a little footstool. Then we have a small closet space. And you'll have room here for the bathrobes, umbrellas, slippers. You'll have your life vests up there. A really nice kind of light gray color finish here. It's gloss here and matte there. They do have laundry service on board in Concierge class, and they have self-laundry as well, which is complimentary. They do have one free complimentary pressing of your garments. Cashmere blankets, shoe equipment, safe for your valuables. And this is the king bed, which does convert to two twins. And you'll see they have a very tastefully done color palette with white and grays and blues. They now have the USB ports right next to the bed, and that's a combo American and international port, and still a standard Honeywell Celsius thermostat. And this is the new Vero water. They no longer have single-use plastic water bottles on board. It's better for the environment. So they have a high-end water filter, and they'll replenish that for you throughout the cruise for free. And some more storage space down here. So you'll have welcome Heidsick champagne in the concierge level. Nice artwork above the love seat. And you can see the brand new Oceania Cruises branded remotes. So they have all the brand new Samsung flat screen TVs with all the latest infotainment systems here, movies on demand, lav satellite TV. They have bridge cams and that type of thing going on. This is the writing desk, which of course again is lighted. And you'll have mini bar down here, complimentary non-alcoholic beverages. The beer and wine you pay for unless you have it included as part of one of your packages. The guests here did book under the current O-Life promotions, which gives them one free internet package throughout as well. And here's some just safety instructions, no smoking in the rooms, of course. This is current, it's the daily schedule on board. Right now they're doing a 7-night Caribbean cruise. Nice itinerary, Martinique, St. Lucia. Wish I was going on this one. And it gives you all the basic daily things. You get to meet the officers, and that type of thing. Have a look there. Irina is the steward for this room. And let's have a look outside on the veranda. We'll finish up out there. I like the curtains. So you do have a small veranda here with the R-class vessels. You have 2 chairs and a small table here. You can have some drinks anytime you like. And we're in Port Miami today. There's downtown Miami. Royal Caribbean offices there. MSC is joining us, Carnival. And they're refurbishing the dock here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed seeing the concierge level veranda here on board the newly refurbished world cruise vessel, the Oceania Insignia. Again, I'm Mike. I'm a luxury travel agent. I do represent and recommend Oceania, of course. And if you're seriously interested in booking a cruise on Oceania, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer that you would have direct on your own. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Oceania's North American offices, if you're not paid in full, not through another travel agent, and you booked it within the past 30 days, Usually I can still improve on that offer for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries only can contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on the website affluentjourneys.com. Hope you liked the video. If so, make sure to hit like down below. Subscribe here to Affluent Journeys. That helps me a lot. And if you've sailed recently, perhaps you're on the newly refurbished Insignia, put your comments down below so others can learn from your experience. Give me a follow on Facebook. That's the Affluent Journeys Facebook page. You'll see all of my special promotions and exclusive offers there, including those on Oceania. And give me a follow on Instagram as well. You'll see some other things that I do. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next one.